Hey friends, if you encounter the VIA uncorrectable error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So first of all, right click on the start button and go to settings. Go to the Windows Update tab. Click on advanced options. Click on optional updates. Install any optional update that's available. Return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space / r space / f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.